This whole concept reminds us about uh, association of devotees coming together and relishing the association. So at this point, Nityanand Prabhu proclaims, Agya dila hari boli karaho bhojan, hari hari dhvani uthi bharilo bhuvan. So Nityanand Prabhu ordered, all of you eat, chanting the names of Lord Hari. Immediately the holy names, Hari, Hari, resounded, the filling the entire universe. So pura, the whole entire Panihati was resounding with the names of Hari. So as a sadhaka, we also aspire for sadhu sangha. And scriptures also mention that sadhu sangha sarva shastra koi, lava matra sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hoy. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also prays that, O he Vaishnava Thakura, Dayar Sagar, Idase Koruna Kori, Diyo Pada Chaya, Shodhoy Amay, Tomar Charana Dhari. So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur was saying that I catch hold of the lotus feet of Lord's devotees, the Vaishnavas. Eka ki amar nahi paye bal, Hari nama sankirtane. Tumi kripa kori shraddha bindu diya, Deho Krishna nama dhane. So, if we want to perform devotional service, we need always association of devotees. So like this, the entire festival was going on, and then Nityananda Prabhu calls for Raghunath, and he says that Nityananda Mahaprabhur Kripalu Udar Raghunather Bhagya Ato Koilo Angikar. He bestowed so much of mercy on Raghunath Das Goswami that he invoked Lord Chaitanya's presence there. Nityananda Prabhava Kripa Janebe Kaun Jan, Mahaprabhu Ani Koraye Pulina Bhojan. So Mahaprabhu was there and they enjoyed the beautiful pastime. So this is the mercy of one who is grateful. So here G stands for gratefulness. Because Raghunath Das was grateful towards the Vaishnavas, that is why Nityananda Prabhu showered this complete mercy, and he also invoked the presence of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, when we also are in the association of devotees and we also start serving and we receive the blessings of devotees, what will happen? We also engage ourselves in bhajan kriya, that is the practices of devotional service. Shravana Kirtana Smarana Vandana Pada Sevana Dasya Re Pujana Sakhijana Atmanivedana Govinda Dasa Bhilashare. So once we receive the mercy of the devotees, then we start engaging in the Navvidha Bhakti, the 9 process of devotional service. And when we start practicing the 9 paths of devotional service, eventually what will happen? The anarthas in our heart will also start gradually dissipating. So, when the anarthas are gradually dissipating from the heart, that is when we develop non-enviousness. We are not jealous towards devotees, and we started loving each and every soul. So, and in that consciousness, we would love to share whatever we have with others. We don't keep it or stack it for ourselves. So here also, Raghunath Das Goswami, Anandita Raghunatha Prabhura Sesha Paye, Apanara Ganasaha Khailo Batiya. So he received the Mahaprasad of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. So he heartily and happily distributed the remnants and shared with each one of them. So when the Shad Vishaya Rog which is there, which we are suffering for millions of lifetimes, if that is destroyed eventually, we also develop the desire to love and share Krishna and Krishna's blessings with everyone. This is the process of anartha nivritti. Chaya begadomi, chaya dosha shodhi, chaya guna deho dase. ছয় শত সঙ্গ দেহ আমার বসেছি সঙ্গের আসে. Teach me to control my 6 passions, rectify my 6 faults, bestow upon me the 6 qualities and offer unto me the 6 kinds of holy association. This is how the transformation happens when we are serving devotees in association and engaging bhajana kriya. Then we have anarthas being dissipated from our heart. Vishaya chadiha kabe shuddha habe mana kabe hamahe rabo Shri Vrindavana. So when the mind is completely purified and being freed from material anxieties and desires, that is when we can understand the conjugal pastimes of Shri Radha and Krishna. And then our spiritual life will be successful.